10 extra years of active living. 3 daily habits. 20 minutes total. That's all it takes. Build these into your day, and you'll move, think, and feel decades younger. Stronger joints, sharper mind, a body that keeps up with your life. Habit 1. The morning movement reset. Most people wake up and sit still for hours, but it's actually caused by joints starving for movement right when they need it most. Your body stiffens overnight, and sitting locks that stiffness in. This habit floods your joints with fluid and primes your whole system for the day. Here's how to do it. Roll out of bed and stand tall. Perform 10 bodyweight squats slowly. Follow with 10 arm circles each direction. Finish with 10 standing torso twists. Do this before checking your phone. Aim for 1 round of 5 minutes every morning. This is how you add a decade of mobile mornings. Habit 2. The daily walk protocol. Most people think intense workouts are what keep you young, but it's actually consistent, low-effort movement that protects your heart and joints long-term. Sitting for hours straight is linked to faster aging, no matter how hard you train later. This habit keeps blood flowing and joints lubricated all day long. Here's how to do it. Set a timer for every 60 minutes. Stand up the moment it goes off. Walk for at least 3 minutes straight. Swing your arms naturally as you move. Repeat this pattern throughout your day. Aim for 5 rounds of 3 minutes, spread across the day. This is how you protect a decade of heart health. Habit 3. The evening strength minute. Most people believe strength only comes from the gym, but it's actually daily small doses that preserve muscle as you age. After 30, you lose muscle every year without regular resistance. This habit fights that loss with almost no time investment. Here's how to do it. Find a wall or sturdy countertop. Perform 15 push-ups, knees down if needed. Follow immediately with 15 bodyweight squats. Hold a 30-second plank to finish. Do this before you wind down for bed. Aim for 1 round of 5 minutes every evening. This is how you preserve a decade of muscle and strength. Now, if you want to build the mobility that makes these habits even easier, watch this video next. Small habits compound into decades of freedom. Start today, and I'll see you in the next video.